The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla here again once more, you know? Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up and respect to all of my Dans and Danettes, you see? Yeah, big up on yourself, my people, you see? Yeah, just some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, you see? Now, first things first. Would you believe it that a female ex-police officer had been convicted for killing 6 persons, and according to more than one news articles that I read, allegedly it is said that she had done so for insurance payouts. See? Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to read some words from a news article about this whole situation. And before I start to read some words from the news article, I want to let each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, know that I might not be able to pronunciate her last name properly. But just in case, I'm going to spell her last name. And according to this news article, it is said that her last name is spelled Ndlovu. Alright? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, listen carefully, because some things that I'm about to say might be shocking to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, according to this news article, viewers and subscribers, it is said that a South African ex-police woman who goes by the name of Nomia Rosemary Ndlovu has been found guilty of killing 5 relatives and her boyfriend. And according to the same news article, it is said that the 6 were murdered between the year 2012 and 2018, most with the help of a hitman. This news article said a hitman, of viewers and subscribers, but another news article that I read said hitmen. But me just give you the information according to how I got the information, viewers and subscribers, alright? The news article said that the woman is in her 40s, and the news article also said that the ex-police woman was also found guilty of the attempted murder of her own mother. The said news article said that the ex-policewoman also had been found guilty for insurance fraud after having pocketed an estimate of 1.4 M rand. I assume that the M mean million and the rand mean a certain type of money from the country that she's from. You see, the news article also gave the estimate in pounds, and that is said to be 69,000 pounds. You understand? That's the same estimate according to the news article. Alright? Now, according to the same news article, it is said that the first person to be murdered was her cousin, then her sister, then her boyfriend, then her niece, and 2 nephews. All those persons were killed. And according to the said news article, it is said that in most cases, she hired hitmen. See it? The said news article come back and say hitmen. So you saw me, I tell the viewers and subscribers, alright? Anyways, according to this news article, it is said that the prosecution revealed how the ex-policewoman had systematically arranged life and funeral insurance for her relatives and then had them killed. See, the said news article said that her last victim died in January 2018. In most cases, she hired hitmen to carry out the murders, but in 2013, she poisoned and strangled her own sister herself. And that's according to some things that I read in that news article. You see me, I say, my people? See? According to the said news article, it is said that the series of murders ended after she approached someone to kill another sister and the sister's 5 children in March 2018. The news article said that the man she hired informed the police, and then the police arranged a sting operation to record her talking about the plans. According to the said news article, it is said that the ex-policewoman was heard speaking about how she wanted the 6 to be burnt alive at home, saying that she needed the money. You hear the things that I said to you a while ago, viewers and subscribers? Those things that I said to you are according to words that I read in this news article right here, viewers and subscribers. See? People can be so wicked and heartless. Eh? Like really? And according to the said news article, it is said that throughout the trial, the ex-policewoman maintained her innocence, accusing many of the 50 state witnesses of lying. The news article said that prosecution produced evidence to show how the ex-policewoman had been with most of her victims before their deaths and how she had benefited afterwards. See, the said news article said that she nominated herself as the beneficiary so as to cash in on life and funeral covers. See, and the said news article said that the accused was either the last person to see them alive or the first person to notice that they were missing. Me bun up, me people. That cool. See? And I saw a news report of viewers and subscribers. As I said, no, in my words, according to some things that I heard in that news report that I saw, I got the understanding that a news reporter said that at one point the female told someone in the court that I'm going to come for you. And then, according to the same news reporter in the news report that I saw, I got the understanding that the news reporter said that the ex-policewoman asked the court to put her at a certain prison, but the court did not grant her the request because she had tried or made plans to kill the investigating officer. My people, this a story I don't know how to really wrap my brain properly around this story. So many persons have died. Can someone be so heartless, my people? Eh? And the thing about it, to viewers and subscribers, I also got other information that somewhat surprises me, almost as much as those informations that I got about the former policewoman, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, but before I say certain things, I want to make certain things be very clear when it comes on to the former policewoman, all right? Now, according to this news article that had been published within the month of November, the year 2021, it is said that the former female police or the former policewoman will be serving an effective term of life in prison after being handed 6 life sentences. Now, according to another news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the same judge who handed down the 6 life sentences to the former policewoman had died. According to more than one news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the judge died within the month of February the year 2022 and that he died from a short-term illness. Now, pardon me if I do not pronunciate his name properly, viewers and subscribers, as I say, but according to more than 3 news articles that I read, it is said that the judge goes by the name of Ramaromo Monama. I'm trying my best here. I'm not sure if I pronunciated his name properly, but me just try my best, all right? Now, my people, when me look at this whole thing, I say, but wait, this my people, me don't know. May I move on to another topic? Let me know what you think about the things that I just told you, alright? Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Tamale Sparta was taken to a hospital after some form of altercation happened at a prison that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to the news article that I'm looking at, I got the understanding that Tamale Sparta was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital after an altercation happened at the the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in downtown Kingston, Jamaica on the 21st of February the year 2022. Now, viewers and subscribers, according to more than one news articles that I read about this whole situation, I got the understanding, or to my understanding, at least one correctional officer was involved in the alleged altercation. However, I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly how many persons was involved in the alleged altercation and who was totally involved in the alleged altercation. You understand? So anything could have happened, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information as to what exactly caused Tamale to end up at the hospital. No, I did not. But I got information that he had been taken to a hospital after an alleged altercation at the prison that is located within downtown Kingston, Jamaica. You understand? Yes, so me I go left it. Because I'm not going to say more than when me know about. You understand? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.